So what's up, guys? So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys exactly how to find jobs on Upwork, freelance jobs that you can make money while working from home, right? You don't need to walk into an office, and you can make $100 a month, $200 a month, $1,000 a month, 5K a month. It depends on your work ethic and how ready you are. So right now we're on Upwork. It's a freelancing platform where people post jobs and people apply to jobs. So what you do is, for example, you can see my profile is already showing web development jobs. So it means that I've been applying to this kind of job since. But an easy way to just do it, to just come here and type in something like web design, for example. And the reason why I recommend web design is because number one is high ticket. Anytime you hear somebody saying high ticket, it means that it pays a big amount per job, right? You understand what I mean? So for example, people that talk about graphic design, copywriting, video editing, all those kind of things. For a graphics or for a logo, somebody can pay you maybe $50, $30, $20. For copywriting, they might pay maybe $50, $100, right? To like write a whole page. If you're a voice actor, right, it might pay you maybe $30. But for web design, they'll pay you 500. See, somebody's paying estimated 500. See you. Okay, I don't think that is the price of what am I going? Okay, that is the estimated budget. Yeah, let me show you another one. Hourly, $15 to $30 an hour. If you guys don't know what hourly means, it means that every hour this is what you'll be paying. So a website can usually take like 10 to 20 hours. So 10 times 15, or let's say okay, middle point is $20 or $22.5 an hour. 10 times 22.5, that is 250, $225, right? 20 hours, that is $550 for a website. You understand? So that is just to show how much you can make from website design. So just come on upwork.com, just type it upwork.com, see. Then type in web design. You can type in logo design, graphic design, whatever. Then you can use any of these filters to filter what you're looking for. So what I always recommend is to go to less than 5. So you can see there are 1,234 jobs. Then the next thing you can do is to find ones that have been posted recently, right? So okay, I don't think you can do that right now. And it's recently, anything that is less than 5 applications, less than 5 proposals, usually recent, maybe last, let's say how many hours, 8 minutes, last 1 hour, you can see 2 hours. You'll not see anyone that is like 3 weeks ago, 2 days ago, because more people that have applied for it is just OT. So what you just do is come here. Okay, just look for any of them. Just apply to any of them, all of them, right? But the thing about Upwork is that you have to spend money. You have to spend money to buy connects. The way you apply to job is a credit. You use credit, but they call their own credit on Upwork connect. So you have to buy connects. You can see I have 91 connects. I need to send a proposal for 18 connects. So this one is too expensive. I don't recommend, if you're starting out, to apply to jobs that have more than 10 connects as a requirement, right? You get what I mean? So just look for another one. Another thing you can do is just come here to reduce the amount of connects. I think it's here, right? Connects. Okay, I don't think it's here. There should be a filter that will show the amount of connects. Okay, I think they've removed it. So another thing you need to do is, if you're a beginner, come to these no hires and make sure all of them are open. But if you're advanced and you have reviews, you have clients, come to 1 to 9 and 10 hires. So because the thing about all these people that have no hires, they are probably not going to hire you as well. It's just like a rubbish job. See, this one 1.5 stars. So you know it's going to be a horrible client, right? So let's look for the amount of connects for this one. 9 connects, and this one is acceptable. So what you now do is you read through the description, go to their reviews. Okay, they do have reviews, so come back up, right? So it's $30 for the job. Looking for a WordPress developer to create a small something. What I need. So just read all of this. Then you can come to the apply job and use AI or write it yourself. So the thing about Upwork is that they have AI assistants already, right? So what I'll just do is I'll click on, I have 2 profiles. I have web design and marketing for like Facebook ads, Instagram adverts, everything. And you can see they'll write the amount of connects you have left, right? So what you just do is view the job posting again. You can read it completely so you can know what they're asking for. Then the project, so you can bid. right? So they said their budget is $30. If you can work the website for, let's say, $15, come here and write 15, right? Or whatever amount. Or if you want more than the $30, you can tell them. If your profile is good enough, they might accept it. So write your duration. The cover letter, what you now write here, you can use AI. Just copy and paste this into ChatGPT and tell them to write a personalized profile. Be personalized this thing. What do you call it? Or come here. This AI. This is your AI chatbot. You can see they will write a proposal for you. Sometimes it's not usually that good. Sometimes it's good. So, and the thing is that everybody's going to be using this AI chatbot. So how you obviously know you use AI. You do get. So what you can now do is you should be able to copy and paste it here. So if you insert it, this is too long, nobody's going to read this. What you just do is come here and delete all of this. Just delete, just let it be like 2 paragraphs, right? And don't use, that's why I don't recommend using AI. See the way it's written, you just know it's AI, it's not personalized, you understand? What I don't recommend you doing is write it yourself, just 1 or 2 lines like this, 1 or 2 paragraphs. Here, what person's name? This person's name is James. Check their reviews and write, hey James, I would love to help you with this. Here's my past work. You can now attach files. You can attach like screenshots of past websites you have done, or add an Upwork job you have done. You get. So you can come here, write this one, and add it, right? If you have a portfolio project, you can come here, add this, right? Then once you are done, what's wrong with this thing? Once you are done, you can now boost your proposal. I don't recommend this. If you are not going to get the job, don't waste your connects. The thing about bidding is to help you. Instead of 9 connects, you put like 10, 11, 12 connects. So your job, your application will be higher on the person's. Like if they go to their dashboard to see, okay, who applied to this job, you want to be higher. But it's not worth it. If you are not qualified, you're not qualified, bro. So let me just delete this. Then send for 9 connects. Can see me, I just wasted my connects. They just write all these policies. You understand? What is the about too much? I know. Do you get? So that is literally how to apply to jobs. So what you now need to do is, after applying to jobs, I'm not saying after applying to 1 job is going to give you a client. Not even applying for 10, not even 100. Unless if you're in America, UK, those kind of countries where like Upwork pushes your profile more. If you're in Nigeria, Africa, whatever, bro, you need to apply to like 200 jobs. And to apply to 200 jobs, you need to spend like 50K on credits, Upwork credits. So it's not easy, it's not cheap. But if you get a job, it's worth it. I have an Indian web design agency that is working with me for my own project, and I'm paying them thousands of dollars every month, right? So it shows that there are people that make a lot of money. There are people that are making money. So what you just need to do is, if you have a job that is paying you 200K, whatever, or 150K, or you have a business that is making money, divert some of that money into Connect. Buy Connect. They have packages. Just type in Upwork Connect on your Google search bar. You see their packages. I think it's $12 for 50 or so. I'm not even sure it's as long as I bought. You understand? But I don't apply for jobs on Upwork specifically. I have referrals and everything. So I think it's $5 or $3 for 50 Connect or so. So just buy as many as you can within your budget, within sense. We don't go and overdo it. You might not see any client too. Then make sure your profile is optimized. You have good profile pictures. You have good past projects. You have reviews. If you can pay somebody to help you get reviews, give them $10 or so. They tell them, give them your Upwork profile, so they'll come and hire you and give you a good review. Stuff like that to help your profile boost more. And that is how to do it, bro. So make sure to like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Smash the like button as well for more tips on how to make money online.